Okay, this is where Jeff and Chet try to lay in a windshield in a 72 Ford F250 using the rope method. I'm gonna turn this shit. I'm gonna go like this. So they install the rope inside the channel in the rubber gasket, and they're gonna pull the rope to get the windshield set into the truck. So use old windshield. It's got some brakes in it.
The thing is we got to push in on the center to start. That's
well, let me try to get there from here.
But it looks like it might work better.
Well, I can shove it up to some degree.
Up. No, it's not up. It's just got to be pushed down in the center.
Okay, so
Maybe I should do it.
or maybe
You can't reach.
You got a longer reach than I do. Actually, it has to come up. Up.
I can't lift the whole windshield up. There's no way.
Want me to help out on the other side?
Nope. Not really. It's a thing. Jeff, grab the edge of the windshield here. Lift up.
I can't grab all that fucking mass. It doesn't move. It doesn't do anything.
It does. All right, I'm working. I got it going a little bit now. Going a little bit here.
You're taking the rubber off the glass is what you're doing.
I am, because the glass has to go up.
But you gotta keep going. Well, I'm doing what I'm doing.
Yep.
I think it'll work.
Ah, good. That was good. That's good. Very good. Very good. All right. Go around the other side.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. You got that hook tool in there?
Yep.
Let me see it. All right, I'm gonna go around the other side and we'll do the same thing.
Yep. We got the top corner in, so get the top corner in, we can make it over that. Around the corner.
Hold on. Damn it.
Right?
Yeah, it's coming off.
Around the corner.
It's coming off the glass out here.
It'll find its way.
Hold on. I got underneath it.
Yep. Oh yeah, it's going up. Looking better. Much happier.
Down to the last corners.
God, that fucking hurt.
Whole side's good, Jeff.
How's she looking, Chet?
Good. It's not easy
No.
to be sleazy. Ready to do the bottom, Jeff? Want me to help you?
I guess so. There, I went up in the groove.
All right.
Let's start at the bottom.
I need it here. Middle. Good, good.
Let me go the other side.
They're on the home stretch.
I'm only good from here. Down
Okay.
here is bad and the rope's out. So I need to hook. Yeah, I got it. Easy. Oh, okay. Get around this corner. Get around the corner. We're in.
You're in?
That's a tough bitch right there.
Oh yeah, just got to move up. Yeah. Give me that fucking thing, will you?
Can we claim success? You spanked that windshield like a $3 whore.
Well, speaking of that, I'm not gonna be able to spank the old lady tonight. Fucking hand hurt.
So that's how you do it. That's the old way to put in a windshield.
Rope, rubber windshield.
Rope.